The new iPhones come in three varieties. There's the iPhone 11 coming in at $649, the iPhone 11 Pro at $999, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max at $1099. Let's start with the biggest one. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's noticeably brighter than the iPhone XS Max that we're holding next to it. It gets even brighter when showing HDR video content. Both the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max have 458 pixel per inch displays. The bigger one just has more pixels, giving you more real estate to work with. The phones now come in gray, silver, gold, and a very dark green. The new matte finish back is a lot less fingerprinty than the iPhone XS Max. I mean, look at this. It's also less slippery, and at least superficially seems less fragile. The triple camera system is a big new feature. Other phones have had these for a while, but it's a first on iPhones. The camera bump is made of the same piece of glass as the back, and it has a bit of a sharp edge around it. You can flip between wide angle, regular, and 2x zoom, all of which are 12 megapixel sensors. As you can see, the 120-degree wide angle has a bit of a fisheye effect to it. With third-party camera apps, you can get pretty crazy here. Filmic can record using all 4 cameras at once. There's also a new 12-megapixel front-facing camera that records selfies in slow motion. Here's the iPhone 11 Pro. It's smaller, obviously. It's 2.81 inches wide as compared to 3.06 inches wide, and it has a smaller screen and a slightly smaller battery. Most of its other capabilities are the same, though. Here's the iPhone 11. This one replaces the iPhone XR, comes in 6 colors. The purple one is really eye-catching. This one has a 6.1-inch LCD display at 326 pixels per inch, just like the iPhone XR. It isn't quite as bright as the iPhone 11 Pro display, and it's significantly more reflective. On the back, you have 2 cameras, not 3. These are 12-megapixel regular and wide-angle lenses. In the camera app, you now have just one button to flip between regular and wide-angle. You can still digital zoom to zoom in, but it doesn't look as nice as on the Pro phones. The front-facing camera on the iPhone 11 is 12 megapixel too, and it has a depth sensor to speed up Face ID. You can see that this phone is a little thicker than the 11 Pro too. All of the phones have the same A13 processor and probably have the same app performance. This is one of the new games from Apple Arcade. The stereo sound is really immersive, although it can be a little harsh. Apple didn't change any of the more divisive design elements on the iPhones. The phones still have their big notches at the top, and the charging port is still Lightning, not USB-C. For more on all the new iPhones, go to PCMag.com.